Well, hello everyone. Just a quick update as to what's going on in our life on our return from our last trip. We had a failure of one of the batteries, the house battery that keeps everything alive inside the motorhome. It overheated, the battery shorted out, and it was a mess. So it got hot enough that well, anytime a battery gets hot, it's not a good thing. So it's ruined. I have replaced the batteries before. This is the second set. We put two batteries in together to get the right storage amount, and I've had it. We really abuse the batteries, lead acid batteries. They're AGM. They they're really not up to the job. Uh, we needed something bigger. Back when we put the system together years ago, lithium batteries were extremely expensive, and we went the cheaper route. Looking at it now, I shouldn't have. Uh, we went with lead acid AGM. Well, now it's gotten so that lithium batteries are getting so cheap that now when I go to replace these two, it's really not up. It's a little bit more expensive to get the lithium, but nowhere near what it used to be. So we are not going back with lead acid. We're going with lithium, lithium ion phosphate, the safer version of lithium batteries, if any of them are safe. But we've got to make some changes. The uh, alternator in the rig needs a control unit now so that it doesn't overheat trying to charge the lithium battery. Lithium batteries take more current. They run 14 to 14 and a half volts, where a normal battery is 13. And to get them fully charged, you have to have a lot of good strong juice coming to them. The lithium batteries. So also the charger inside the rig, when we're plugged up on 110 at the campgrounds, has to be changed because it's not strong enough also to fill the lithium battery. Uh, we have to change the parameters on our control unit from our solar panels. So yeah, it's a lot of work. And the worst thing is the lithium battery is a different size, shape, and all as the other batteries we had. So the cradle has to come out that's holding the batteries, so it can be modified to fit the new lithium battery. And on top of that, I have to do jury duty. I know it's my civic duty, but man, it's hitting at the wrong time. Got the questionnaire. Now I got the dates and times that I have to be there. So I just want to get out and have some fun. This is not really what I want to be doing. I don't want to have to tear this rig all apart and put it back together, but this is what we're up to. So let me show you. I have done quite a bit. I have also filmed when everything was in one piece, and I'll throw those clips in. But this is how far I'm going back with it. I got a new battery. Still waiting on parts. You order up stuff and you're at the mercy of Amazon or whoever the supplier is. You've got to get everything so it matches. Everything works together. So let me switch the camera around here and show you what I've done so far. And get a flashlight so you can see. I will put in a clip where where this was all totally empty. Also, I will put in a clip where it was totally full with all of our electronics. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. I actually did a little testing on the battery today and was running the microwave, and things are looking good. But as you can see, there's still a lot of stuff yet to be put back. There are all kind of parts and pieces that luckily everything will fit pretty well back where it was. The biggest change was to redo the cradle, and I'll show you a picture of that. Redo the cradle so that this new battery will fit. So anyway, guys, hey, there I am. Get up here in the sunshine. We just had a rainstorm, which kind of put a clinker on me getting anything done right now. But man, it's been hot. That's where we're at. As soon as I get the rig fixed, we're going to be back out. This has been a stop and go season so far for us. Not really what we wanted. But hey, life is an adventure, and our adventure awaits. So guys, stop. Hey, my flashlight's flashing. Y'all take care, and you will see us out there. Take care now.